Hello Gemini, how are you doing? Welcome to Indiana 11 Tarot. This is your career, business and money reading for the week of July 6 to 12th. So I've already shuffled these cards, Gemini, but let me shuffle it one or two more times. So, Eight of Cups is your first card. I feel some of you are walking away from a situation, like certain situation which didn't work for you. It could be like a business that you were, some of you had planned and it did not work for you. Maybe, the money that you were expecting or the kind of returns you were expecting did not work for you. So you're trying to just move away from that situation. Let me clarify this card. Okay, I mean, this is talking about your recent past, like maybe in the previous months, you have gone through a lot, Gemini, and you have been, feeling that pain and the deceive. And it was a hurt situation. Maybe you lost some of you have lost job or money, and it's like now that I feel this, you are walking away from this situation. So it's a good card. It's like, moving forward towards something which is still unknown for you, for some of you, but you are walking away from that hurt too. So let me pull out a second card. Three of Swords. I feel this is again a card that most of you, Gemini, there was a deceive. It talks about a deceive, a backstabbing, or it could be a warning that maybe the partnership that you want to go through, or in your office atmosphere there is somebody who's gonna deceive you. So it's a warning card for you that be alert and see things around, how things are going for you. Like so let me clarify this card too. The Chariot card. So when I clarify this with a thing, maybe you are thinking of moving forward with some idea or a travel. So just that it could be a warning, an alert to you that think of all the way, different perspective. Think with a different perspective. Is it really going to work for me? Is it really, put in a lot of thought and only take a decision. Usually Chariot card is like for movement, forward movement, but it's coming with Three of Swords. You need to just, or maybe it's a retrograde time. So Mercury grows forward from 13th of July. So you just need to wait this week. It will be much easier in the coming week to go forward with your plans. This is what I get, Gemini. For some of you, I feel there could be slightly a problem with money situation, minor delays in work, as retrograde still on, and let me pull one more card. Okay, so here you have Four of Pentacles. Four of Pentacles is like maybe it's you're holding tight to a money you like, as you can see this card, you are holding it so firmly that you are not able to move. So there is no new creative ideas that could flow. It's also a card that you need to release your hold so that new creativity, new ideas could flow, and it will be helpful, like for you in your job or money situation. It's basically telling you, do not hold your money so strongly. Let me clarify this card too. So this is showing that once you the hold on your money, if you just little loosen your grip on or the hold on your money situation, your world is going to change. I mean, a phase will get over, a new phase will start. New phase, I mean, it talks about a good phase is gonna start. You can take up a journey. I mean, it's showing that you could travel to places for work or job related. I feel some of you might be investing some money in stock or share market, for some of you Geminis. And some of you with this card is still waiting for, some of you are waiting for your job offer, or a job interview. But this is for some of you. So this is it. Next week we'll see. I hope there is a better time next week, Gemini. Thank you.